Hey guys, today I'm going to try cooking a whole chicken in my new Hamilton Beach slow cooker using this temp probe that comes with it. So let's get crocking. This new slow cooker is pretty neat. It has this built-in temperature probe that goes with it for cooking meat. So just plugs in right into the side of the pot right there. I've already got the chicken in there seasoned with some mild barbecue rub that I had. Lid goes on, and the lid has a hole right there. So I haven't tried this yet. I cooked a roast in here and it worked good, but trying this chicken today, so we'll see how this works. Usually when I cook a chicken in the crock pot, I just let it cook until it falls apart, so that way I know it's done. But I'm hitting a bone. Why is it not going in? Okay, yeah, I think it was hitting a bone or something there. Okay, that's better. So when you use this temperature probe, it cooks the meat to a certain temperature and then it shuts off and the pot will go to warm. So we'll go probe. I guess I'll try high. You can go low or high. I'm going to try high. 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Now with chicken, you usually want it cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. But this pot is probably going to hold the temperature for a while on warm once it shuts off. So I think I will try 160 and see how that works. Okay, it started cooking, so we'll be back later on and see how it looks. The temperature is at 159 degrees, so it should be just about ready to shut off. It's been in there 2 hours and 40 minutes. There we go. Now it just kicked over to warm. So I'm going to leave it in the pot on warm for about an hour and then I'll check it. The chicken's been in there on warm for an hour. Let's see if I can see how much the temperature climbed here. Climbed up to 178 degrees. So it climbed 18 degrees after it shut off. So I was right about that, about the temperature climbing after the chicken shut off there. So let's pull the probe out and open it up and see how it looks. Looks pretty good. Look how much liquid's in there. I didn't put any liquid in the pot. This was a dry pot. There's tons of liquid in there now. Let's see if this will come out of the pot in one piece here. Oh yeah, not too bad actually. Usually they all fall apart when I cook them in the crock pot. So this cooked for 2 hours and 40 minutes on high, and then it sat in the pot for an hour. So we'll see how it looks here. Looks pretty juicy there. Cut into the breast and see how that looks. Oh wow, that's super duper juicy. Looks pretty good, huh? Grab a little bite of that. I don't think that skin is going to be very good. Skin's always rubbery. And we'll try that. Turned out real good. It's tender, it's juicy. The skin's not good, but the skin's never good in the crock pot, so that's nothing new. But I think 160 degrees was the perfect temperature to set that at. Kept climbing up to about 178. It's just about right. It's nice and juicy. It's not dry at all, so I think that was perfect. Annie's waiting to do her job. She's like, "Let me do the taste test, Dad. Come on." All right, there you go, Annie. That worked out really good. I really like this slow cooker. I'll put the link to Amazon in the description if anybody wants to take a look at it. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.